Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the editor and immediately create a short test lane. Do not waste time. Place a speed portal 0. 5 to slow or 2. 0 to speed up because that creates the temporal feel. Once done, add a move trigger and assign an object ID. This lets you control position over time. Make sure practice mode is on so you can retry quickly. You want predictable movement before stacking effects. This is the foundation for a convincing time machine. You now layer visual and motion triggers to make the time machine feel real. Add color and alpha triggers to dim and tint the stage during the effect. This signals a temporal shift to the player. Then synchronize a clone or spawn trigger with your move trigger so objects repeat or freeze in place. That creates the illusion of paused frames. Make sure durations and easing match. Mismatched timing ruins the effect. Once you confirm timing, test the segment repeatedly until motion looks cohesive. You're finishing by grouping triggers and polishing offsets. This converts your components into a single time machine event. Link the group to an activation trigger or button and then play the full sequence. If you notice jitter, nudge trigger offsets by plus or minus 0. 1 seconds and retest. Small changes often fix synchronization problems. If the effect still glitches, disable non-essential triggers and re-enable one at a time to isolate the issue. That way, you find and fix the culprit fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.